Welcome students, myself Professor Vikrant Palatsha. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Professor Vikrant Palatsha's Education Hub. In this video, we are going to study the multiple choice question of TY BCom subject taxation on the unit number 3, computation of total taxable income and tax liability of an individual. So let's begin. Question number 1. Total taxable income is arrived after dash. Option A, only adding income under 5 heads of income. Option B, adding income under 5 heads of income excluding losses. Option C, adding income under 5 heads of income after applying clubbing provisions and making adjustment of set off and carry forward of losses. And option number D, adding income under 5 heads of income after applying clubbing provisions and making adjustment of set off and carry forward of losses and after allowing deduction under section 80C to 80U. And the correct option, it is option number D, adding all the 5 heads of income after applying clubbing provisions and making adjustment of set off and carry forward losses and after following deduction under sections 80C to 80U. Next, question number 2. In Income Tax Act 1961, deduction under section 80C to 80U cannot exceed dash. Option A, gross total income. Option B, total income. Option C, income from business or profession. Option D, income from house property. And the correct option, it is option number B, total income. Next, question number 3. The deduction of life insurance premium, contribution to provident fund, etc. is done under dash dash of Income Tax Act 1961. Option A, section 80C. Option B, section 80U. Option C, section 80D. And option D, section 80. And the correct option, it is section 80C, that is option number A. Next, question number 4. Which of the following is covered under section 80D of the Income Tax Act 1961? Option A, medical treatment of handicapped dependent. Option B, medical insurance premium. Option C, reimbursement of medical expenses. And option D, repayment of loan taken for higher education. And the correct option, it is option number B, medical insurance premium. Any amount of medical insurance premium paid that comes under as deduction as per section 80D. Next, question number 5. Mr. Sharma contributed to a charitable trust. He can avail deduction under dash. Option A, section 80G. Option B, section 80GGB. Option C, section 80GGC. And option D, section 80GGD. And the correct option, it is option number A, section 80G. Any contribution to the charitable trust that is called as the donation, and that comes as a deduction under section 80G. Next, question 6. In the case of every senior citizen resident in India, income is exempted up to option A, rupees 2 lakhs. Option B, rupees 2,50,000. Option C, rupees 3 lakhs. And option D, rupees 3,50,000. And the correct option, it is option C, rupees 3 lakhs. In case of senior citizen means more than 60 years of age but less than 80 years of age, the income is exempted up to rupees 3 lakhs. Next, question number 7. Health and education cess is option number A, 6%, option number B, 2%, option number C, 4%, and option number D, 3%. And the correct option, it is option number C, 4%. Next, question number 8. The deduction for donation to National Foundation for Communal Harmony is option A, 50%, option B, 70%, option C, 80%, option D, 100%. And the correct option, it is option D, 100%. Any donation made to the National Foundation for Communal Harmony, it is 100% deductible as per section 80G. Next, question 9. Person with disability is allowed a fixed deduction under section dash. Option A, section 80C. Option B, section 80D. Option C, section 80E. And option D, section 80U. And the correct option, it is option D, section 80U. Next, question 10. The maximum aggregate amount of deduction under section 80C cannot exceed dash. Option A, rupees 1 lakh. Option B, rupees 1,50,000. option C rupees 2 lakhs, and option D rupees 2,50,000. And the correct option, it is option B, rupees 1,50,000. The deduction of ATC does not exceed rupees 1,50,000. Next, question 11. Surcharge on tax on total income is dash. Option A applicable, option B not applicable, option C applicable if total income crosses rupees 50 lakhs, and option D applicable if there is capital gain. And the correct option, it is option C applicable if total income crosses rupees 50 lakhs. If total income is more than 50 lakhs, then surcharge on tax is applicable. Next, question 12. Interest payable of loan taken for higher education is available as deduction under section dash. Option A section 80C, option B section 80D, option C section 80E, and option D section 80U. And the correct option, it is option C section 80E. Next, question number 13. Rebate under section 87A of rupees 12,500 is applicable dash. Option A when total taxable income is less than rupees 2 lakhs. Option B when total taxable income is less than rupees 3 lakhs. Option C when total taxable income is less than rupees 4 lakhs. And option D when total taxable income is less than rupees 5 lakhs. And the correct option, it is option D when total taxable income is less than rupees 5 lakhs. Next, question number 14. How much income is exempted from tax for the individual less than 60 years of age? Option A rupees 1 lakh, option number B rupees 1,50,000, option C rupees 2 lakhs, and option D rupees 2,50,000. And the correct option, it is option D rupees 2,50,000. The person less than 60 years of age, the income is exempted up to rupees 2,50,000. Next, question 15. Age of super senior citizen is option A less than 60 years, option B more than 60 years but less than 80 years, option C less than 80 years, and option D more than 80 years. And the correct option, it is option D more than 80 years. Next, question number 16. How much is the maximum deduction available for a disabled person under section 80U? Option A rupees 1 lakh, option B rupees 1,25,000, option C rupees 2 lakhs, and option D rupees 2,50,000. And the correct option, it is option B rupees 1,25,000. Next, question number 17. Maximum deduction allowed for senior citizen under section 80D is dash. Option A rupees 25,000, option B rupees 30,000, option C rupees 40,000, and option D rupees 50,000. And the correct option, it is option D rupees 50,000. Maximum deduction allowed to the senior citizen under section 80D is rupees 50,000. Next, question number 18. Section 80 TTA provides deduction for option A LIC premium, option B saving bank account interest, option C mutual fund, option D dividend received. And the correct option, it is option number C saving bank account interest. Interest deposited in saving bank account up to rupees 10,000 is available as deduction under section 80 TTA. Next, question number 19. Deduction in respect of contribution to pension scheme of central government comes under dash dash of Income Tax Act 1961. Option A section 80 CCD, option B section 80U, option C section 80 EE, and option D section 80 G. And the correct option, it is option A section 80 CCD. Section 80 CCD provides the deduction for the contribution to pension scheme of central government. And now the last question, number 20. Expenditure on severe disease under section 80 DDB is allowed up to dash dash for individuals less than 60 years of age. Option A rupees 40,000, option B rupees 20,000, option C rupees 25,000, and option D rupees 30,000. And the correct option, it is option A rupees 40,000. Up to rupees 40,000 is allowed as deduction for the severe diseases under section 80 DDB for the person less than 60 years of age. In this way, we have studied the multiple choice question on the unit number 3, computation of total taxable income and tax liability of an individual. For such more videos, dear students, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Professor Vikrant Palatshas Education Hub, as well as press on the notification icon. Thank you all of you.